Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the search approach you need and why. Conversational answers for dialogue, semantic for relevance. Once chosen, gather representative queries and sample documents to train or tune relevance. Next, make sure to provision API keys and a secure storage location, then run lightweight preprocessing to normalize text and remove noise. These first steps get you from idea to reproducible inputs quickly, so you can validate the approach with real queries without wasting engineering time. Now you construct the retrieval and ranking pipeline. First, chunk documents sensibly and compute embeddings into your vector store, choosing an appropriate similarity metric. Once done, wire up retrieval that supplies context to your answer generator and add a re-ranker to improve precision. You should iterate prompts and set scoring thresholds using your test queries, balancing recall and precision. Make sure to log queries, timestamps, and confidence scores so you can measure drift and effectiveness over time and make data-driven adjustments. Finish by deploying with observability. Monitor latency, errors, and costs, and enable caching and rate limits to protect the system. Make sure you integrate a user feedback loop to capture failures and edge cases for continuous improvement. If something goes wrong, first verify embeddings and vector store integrity, then inspect prompt formulation and context window limits. Finally, address data gaps by expanding coverage or fine-tuning models. With those steps, you'll keep results accurate and resilient while iterating efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.